In 2026, buying a used luxury car is a gamble. You could spend $25,000 on a German SUV and end up paying another 10 grand in repairs within 6 months. But what if I told you there's a cheat code? Today, we're looking at the only 8 Lexus models you should buy right now for under $25,000. These aren't just cars, they are financial investments that will easily cross the 300,000-mile mark without breaking a sweat. From V8-powered tanks to modern hybrids like the UX250h, we've filtered the market to find the absolute best deals. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the fan favorite, the 2015 Lexus IS250. Now, if you're looking for a car that looks like it costs $50,000 but actually fits right under our $25,000 budget, this is the one. It features that aggressive spindle grille design that still looks incredibly modern even in 2026. Performance and reliability. Under the hood, you're getting a 2.5-liter V6 engine producing 204 horsepower. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's not a drag strip monster, but what it lacks in raw speed, it makes up for in pure, unadulterated reliability. This engine uses a traditional port and direct injection system that mechanics absolutely love, because it's famous for hitting 200,000 miles with nothing but basic oil changes and spark plugs. Interior and drive quality. Inside, the 2015 IS250 offers a cockpit that feels like a jet fighter. You get the new Luxe leather seats, which honestly hold up better than real leather over time, and the legendary Lexus build quality. There are no rattles, no squeaks, just a quiet, composed ride. Whether you choose the rear-wheel drive for a sporty feel or the all-wheel drive for those snowy winters, the handling is crisp and predictable. Why it's a bargain in 2026? In today's market, 2026, you can find a clean, well-maintained 2015 model with around 80,000 miles for roughly $18,000 to $21,000. That leaves you plenty of room in your $25,000 budget for a fresh set of tires, or even an Apple CarPlay head unit upgrade. Pro tip verdict. My pro tip? Look for the F-Sport trim. It adds those gorgeous LFA-inspired digital gauges and a tuned suspension that makes this daily driver feel like a true sports sedan. It's reliable, it's stylish, and it's the perfect entry into the Lexus family. Moving on to number 2, we have the 2016 Lexus IS200T. If you love the styling of the previous car but wanted something with a bit more modern punch and better fuel efficiency, this is your sweet spot. This was a pivotal year for the IS line as Lexus finally embraced turbocharging for their compact sports sedan. The engine and performance. The heart of this beast is a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It pumps out 241 horsepower, which is a significant jump over the older IS250. What makes this engine special is the twin-scroll turbocharger technology. It gives you nearly all of your torque at very low RPM, meaning this car feels punchy and quick when you are merging onto the highway or darting through city traffic. Fuel economy and tech. One of the biggest reasons to choose the 200T over the V6 models is the fuel economy. In a world where gas prices are always unpredictable, getting nearly 30 miles per gallon on the highway is a huge win. Plus, the 2016 model saw some nice refinements in the infotainment system and safety features, making it feel just a bit more tech-forward than the earlier versions of this generation. The market value. Right now, the 2016 IS200T is sitting comfortably in the sweet spot of our budget. You can easily find high-quality examples with reasonable mileage for between $21,000 and $24,000. It is essentially a modern luxury car that has already gone through its biggest depreciation hit. Closing thought. If you want the perfect balance of aggressive looks, turbocharged fun, and Lexus reliability, this is the one to park in your driveway. Just make sure it has a full service history, and it will treat you right for years to come. Coming in at number 3 is the absolute king of comfort and the gold standard for reliability, the 2017 Lexus ES350. If your priority is a smooth, quiet, and stress-free driving experience, look no further. This is widely considered the best year for this generation because Lexus perfected every single mechanical detail before moving to the next platform. Under the hood lies the legendary 3.5-liter V6 engine. This power plant is famous among mechanics for being essentially unkillable. It delivers 268 horsepower with a delivery so smooth you will barely feel the gear shifts. There are no complicated turbos or high-pressure systems to worry about here. It is just pure, old-school Japanese engineering at its finest. The interior is where the ES truly shines. Even though it is a few years old, the cabin materials and build quality put brand-new entry-level luxury cars to shame. You get massive amounts of rear legroom, high-quality wood trim, and seats that feel like your favorite living room recliner. It is the ultimate highway cruiser that eats up miles while keeping you completely isolated from road noise. In today's market, the 2017 model is the ultimate bargain. You are getting a car that will easily go 300,000 miles with basic maintenance, and you can pick one up for well under our $25,000 budget. It is not a sports car, and it does not pretend to be. It is simply the most sensible, comfortable, and reliable luxury sedan your money can buy. If you find one with a clean service record, buy it, drive it for 10 years, and it will still be worth a good chunk of change when you are done. Now we are moving into the heavy hitters with a vehicle that is often called a tank in a tuxedo. The 2015 Lexus GX460. This is not your average suburban cruiser. It is a true body-on-frame SUV designed to survive the harshest conditions on the planet. If you want a vehicle that combines extreme off-road capability with high-end luxury, this is the best value on the market right now. The crown jewel of the GX is its 4.6-liter V8 engine. This motor is legendary for its durability, often reaching 500,000 miles with nothing more than routine oil changes. It produces 301 horsepower and a massive amount of torque, making it perfect for towing your boat or climbing a mountain trail. Because it shares so much of its DNA with the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, every single component is over-engineered to last a lifetime. Inside, the 2015 model offers a commanding view of the road and a cabin filled with premium leather and real wood accents. It features a versatile 3-row seating layout, so it is perfect for families who do not want to sacrifice style for utility. While the infotainment might feel a bit classic compared to brand new cars, the physical buttons and rugged build quality are exactly what long-term owners appreciate. It is a tactile, mechanical masterpiece in a world of fragile plastic screens. Finding a clean GX460 under $25,000 used to be impossible, but in today's market, the 2015 model has finally hit that sweet spot. You are getting a world-class luxury SUV that will outlast almost anything else on the road. It is thirsty on fuel, but you will save thousands of dollars on repair bills that owners of European SUVs have to pay. If you want the ultimate peace of mind and a vehicle that will literally never let you down, the GX is the king of the used market. Next on our list is the pinnacle of Japanese luxury, the 2016 Lexus LS460. For decades, the LS has been the flagship model designed to compete directly with the Mercedes S-Class and the BMW 7 Series. But while those German rivals often become a nightmare to maintain as they age, the Lexus LS remains a fortress of reliability. This 2016 model represents the final and most refined years of its generation, making it the perfect time to buy one. Powering this masterpiece is a silky smooth 4.6-liter V8 engine producing 386 horsepower. The acceleration is effortless, and the cabin is so quiet that you might forget the engine is even running. Lexus engineers famously spent years perfecting the noise insulation on this car, using specialized wheels and glass to ensure that the outside world stays outside. Whether you are cruising at 80 miles per hour or sitting in heavy traffic, the LS provides a level of serenity that almost no other car on this list can match. The interior is a masterclass in craftsmanship. Every surface is covered in the finest leather, and the fit and finish are absolutely flawless. You get features like climate-controlled seats, a premium Mark Levinson sound system that sounds like a concert hall, and enough rear seat room to stretch out like you are in first class. It is a car that makes every journey feel like a special occasion. The best part is the value proposition. A brand new LS would cost you nearly 6 figures, but you can now find a well-maintained 2016 model for under $25,000. You are essentially getting a $100,000 driving experience for the price of a used economy car. It is the ultimate executive bargain for anyone who wants world-class luxury without the world-class repair bills. If you want to travel in total silence and absolute prestige, this is the only car you need to consider. If you want a car that turns heads every time you pull into a parking lot, then number 5 on our list is exactly what you are looking for. The 2016 Lexus RC350 is a stunning luxury coupe that proves you do not have to sacrifice reliability to own a sexy, sporty car. While most coupes in this category come with temperamental turbocharged engines, Lexus decided to stick with what they do best: a rock-solid, naturally aspirated V6. This 3.5-liter engine delivers a crisp 306 horsepower, providing a linear and satisfying power delivery that modern turbo cars just cannot replicate. It sounds fantastic, especially when you push it toward the red line, but it settles down into a whisper-quiet hum when you are just cruising. The RC is built on a specialized chassis that combines parts from the GS and IS sedans, resulting in a car that feels incredibly planted and stable at high speeds. It is a true grand tourer that can handle a twisty back road just as easily as a long-distance road trip. Step inside, and you are greeted by one of the most beautiful interiors Lexus has ever designed. The high-back sport seats are widely considered some of the most comfortable in the industry, hugging you in place without feeling restrictive. The build quality is top-tier, featuring contrast stitching and premium materials that still feel brand new a decade later. It is a cockpit designed entirely around the driver, making every commute feel like an event. Finding a 2016 RC350 under $25,000 is the ultimate pro move in the used car market. You are getting a car that looks like a modern exotic, but because it shares its mechanical parts with the most reliable sedans in the world, your maintenance costs will be remarkably low. It is the perfect choice for the buyer who wants a sporty, high-end image without the stress of constant shop visits. If you value style, sound, and bulletproof engineering, the RC350 is impossible to beat. Next up is the most modern vehicle on our list and a perfect choice for the tech-savvy city dweller: the 2020 Lexus UX250h. This is the newest model to hit our $25,000 budget, and it is a total game-changer for anyone looking to save money at the gas pump without sacrificing that premium Lexus feel. As a compact hybrid crossover, the UX is designed specifically for the modern world, offering incredible efficiency and the latest safety technology in a very stylish package. The hybrid powertrain in the UX250h is a masterpiece of efficiency. It combines a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with powerful electric motors to deliver a combined 181 horsepower. But the real headline here is the fuel economy. This car achieves an incredible 41 miles per gallon in the city, making it one of the most economical luxury vehicles ever built. Plus, because it comes standard with an innovative all-wheel drive system that uses a dedicated electric motor for the rear wheels, you get extra grip and confidence in rainy or snowy conditions. Inside, the 2020 UX feels decades ahead of older luxury cars. The cabin is filled with high-resolution screens, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration, ensuring you stay connected on the go. It also features the Lexus Safety System Plus, which includes advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. Even though it is a compact SUV, the interior feels remarkably premium, with Japanese-inspired textures and a driver-centric layout that makes it feel like a high-tech cockpit. Picking up a 2020 UX for under $25,000 is a brilliant financial move. You are getting a vehicle that is still under its hybrid component warranty in many cases, giving you ultimate peace of mind. Finally, we have reached the absolute crown jewel of the used luxury market: the 2020 Lexus RX 350F Sport. The RX is the vehicle that practically invented the luxury crossover segment, and this 2020 model represents the perfect sweet spot of modern tech, aggressive styling, and legendary durability. While a brand new one will cost you a fortune, finding a well-kept 2020 model for under $25,000 is like finding a cheat code for luxury living. The RX is powered by the famous 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 295 horsepower of pure smoothness. In the F-Sport trim, you get an adaptive variable suspension that can stiffen up for the corners or soften down for a cloud-like ride on the highway. It is a powertrain that has been refined over decades, meaning all the bugs have been worked out. It is fast, it is quiet, and most importantly, it is built to last for hundreds of thousands of miles without major mechanical failures. The F-Sport package completely transforms the look and feel of this SUV. You get the iconic mesh grille, 20-inch alloy wheels, and a much more aggressive stance that still looks brand new in 2026. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of luxury, featuring deep bolstered sports seats, a perforated leather steering wheel, and a massive infotainment screen that supports all your modern smartphone connections. It offers the perfect amount of space for a family while maintaining a level of prestige that few other SUVs can match.
The 2015 Lexus GX460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX460 boasts one of the tightest